In a world where disrespect is as prevalent as the air we breathe, Stoicism serves as our armor. Remember the stings of mockery and insult with Stoic wisdom. Those become mere whispers against a fortress. Today, I'll unveil lessons that not only teach you to endure disrespect, but master it. Listen closely. Lesson 1. Keep yourself cool and calm. Envision a massive rock amidst a wild sea. Even when formidable waves strike, the rock remains unmoved, staying strong and calm. That's how you should be when faced with rudeness or meanness. As Marcus Aurelius, a wise man from long ago, noted, the best revenge is to be unlike those who harm you. Responding with composure demonstrates strength. Being calm doesn't signify weakness. It means you're in control, akin to being the captain of your own ship in tumultuous seas. The next time someone attempts to upset you, remember the rock and the sea, stay calm and reveal that their words can't wound you. Lesson 2. Recognize your part in a mistake. Picture two kids playing with a ball, breaking a window. Both share some blame. In life, when problems arise or someone is rude, it's not solely their fault. Honest self-reflection is crucial. Before pointing a finger at someone, remember the adage, 3 fingers point back at you. Recognizing your part is about growth, not guilt. When you understand your mistakes, you can rectify them and evolve. When facing a problem or someone's displeasure, reflect on your actions and consider how to make amends. Lesson 3. Learn to take pause in anger. Imagine a boiling pot on the stove. If you turn off the heat, it stops boiling. Similarly, our anger can simmer down if we take a moment before reacting. An old saying advises against speaking in anger, as it often leads to regrettable words. When someone incites anger, resist the impulse to react immediately. A deep breath and a brief pause can make a significant difference. Pausing allows you to think, choose your words carefully, and avoid saying something you might regret. When upset, remember the boiling pot. Take a moment, breathe, and let your anger cool down. Lesson 4. Concentrate on virtue, be rational, and maintain integrity. Envision a compass. No matter where you take it, it always points north, staying true to its direction. Likewise, align yourself with your values and principles, remaining steadfast in what's right. The philosopher Epictetus emphasized that people are troubled more by their imagined anxieties about real problems than by the problems themselves. When faced with disrespect or falsehoods, resist the urge to retaliate in kind. Being rational means thinking clearly and not letting emotions cloud judgment. Integrity involves doing the right thing, even when it's challenging. Stay true to your values, akin to the unwavering compass, even when faced with adversity. Lesson 5. Embrace acceptance and don't try to control the external. Picture a tree in a storm. It stands strong, letting the wind blow and the rain pour without attempting to halt the storm. Similarly, accept that some things are beyond your control. Seneca's insight, suffering more in imagination than in reality, underscores the importance of focusing on what you can change. Worrying about uncontrollable aspects is futile. Embrace acceptance. Be the tree in the storm, stand strong, and let go of unnecessary worries. Focus on what you can control. Lesson 6. Set clear boundaries. Imagine a fence around a house, defining the property's limits. Just like that fence, set clear boundaries in your life to communicate how you should be treated. Socrates' assertion that an unexamined life is not worth living urges us to understand our needs and limits. Establishing boundaries isn't selfish, it's self-care. Think about a time when you felt overwhelmed but didn't set limits. Having clear boundaries is akin to putting up that fence, signaling what you're comfortable with and ensuring others respect your limits. Lesson 7. Show forgiveness. Envision a heavy backpack filled with stones. Carrying it all day is exhausting. Similarly, holding on to anger and grudges weighs you down. Marcus Caelius emphasized that being wronged is inconsequential unless you continue to remember it. Forgiveness is liberating. It's like setting down the heavy backpack and feeling free. When someone hurts you, the memory keeps the pain alive. Choosing to forgive doesn't trivialize the wrongdoing. It frees you from carrying the burden. Let go of resentment, choose forgiveness, and experience the weight lifting off your shoulders. Lesson 8. Change your perspective. Picture hearing a loud noise in a dark room. It might be alarming until you turn on the light and realize it's just a fallen book. Similarly, disrespectful actions may feel significant, but when you shed light on them, understanding their insignificance, they become less intimidating. Epictetus noted that it's not things but our view of things that upset us. Changing your perspective is like turning on the light in a dark room, helping you see things clearly. When faced with problems or disrespect, change your viewpoint and assess if it's truly as significant as it initially seemed. You've just unlocked Stoic strategies to overcome disrespect. Which lesson resonates with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments.